You can modify grids in Adagio to display the information you want to see for records such as customers, vendors, items, transactions, batches, and many more. In order to change the columns on a particular grid, all you need to do is to double-click anywhere on the title bar to load the column editor. The screen that appears shows a list of all available fields on the left-hand side that you could potentially add to the grid. On the right-hand side, all the selected fields are listed in the order they will appear on the grid from left to right. You can reorder a column by highlighting a field name on the selected list and then clicking the up or down arrow buttons to move it to the desired location. To select a field to add as a new column, highlight the field name on the left, and when you double-click, it will appear on the right-hand side. You can also use the right arrow button to move a field name to the selected list. To remove a field column from the grid, highlight the field name on the right and either double-click it or click the left arrow button. Use the reset button if you want to restore the grid to the system default. Some grids associated with records that have an active status have an additional option to hide inactive rows. Choosing the Active Records Only option will suppress any records that are not defined as active. Grid settings are saved by user, meaning that each user can select which columns they want to display. Additionally, you can set which users are able to edit grids and which users cannot. Set this by editing the user record and enabling the Edit Columns option to grant this user access to the column editor function. The sys user has an additional option, Set View for all users, to set a particular grid layout for all users, creating a new company default. Other users with security access can still make changes as desired, and clicking the Reset button will load this company default rather than the system default. Column titles can be modified in the Field Properties area to make the text shorter or more descriptive as desired. If all you want to do is to resize the widths or reposition columns, simply use your mouse to change the column width or position as desired, and then access the column editor and click OK to save changes. You can edit most grids in Adagio. In addition to master records, you can also change Finder grids to show more interesting information, Smart Finder grids to allow searching on desired criteria, and even posted transaction or batch grids to display information quickly without having to edit the record or print a report. Setting a custom grid display allows you to more efficiently retrieve important information and search for what you need to find. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.